Life is often a negotiation between the space we have and the comfort we crave. In the pursuit of a home that feels like a sanctuary, the furniture we choose acts as the foundation for our rest. The ROWHY 104-inch Modular Sectional is an exercise in this kind of intentional living, a sprawling, deep-seated cloud that prioritizes the act of lounging over the formality of sitting. It is a massive piece of architecture for the living room, stretching over 8 feet wide, designed for the reality of long movie nights and the occasional afternoon nap that turns into an evening slumber. Finding a piece of this scale under a certain budget usually requires a trade-off. And here, that trade-off is the virtue of patience. The sofa often arrives in 2 or 3 separate packages on different days. This staggered arrival is a test of temperament, but for those who can wait a few days for the full picture to emerge, the reward is a modular system that adapts to the room's specific needs. Whether it becomes a classic L shape, a love seat with a separate ottoman, or an oversized armchair, the flexibility is a nod to the fact that our lives and our spaces are rarely static. The assembly process is where the relationship with the object truly begins. It takes about an hour or so of focused effort, a small price to pay for a centerpiece. There is a quiet wisdom in paying attention to the details during this phase. For instance, the corner brackets for the back side don't require all screws immediately. Holding back allows the frame to align properly when the backrest is finally attached. The corduroy fabric pieces also have their own logic. Some are fully wrapped while others use Velcro to secure the material to the bottom of the frame. It is a puzzle that, once solved, yields a sturdy structure of metal, wood, and high-carbon springs capable of supporting 250 pounds per seat. In terms of feel, the high-elastic foam and corduroy upholstery offer a sensation that is soft to the touch but firm under pressure. This isn't a couch for those who wish to sit bolt upright and discuss quarterly earnings. With its deep, 30% wider seats and lower back pillows, it is a piece built for horizontal living. It supports the knees and the back in a way that encourages stretching out. For those over 6 feet tall, the inclusion of the movable ottoman is the game changer, allowing even the tallest members of the household to fully extend without their feet hanging off the edge. However, a wise owner knows that even a good design can be improved with a few personal touches. Because the sectional sits quite low to the ground on its original 2-inch legs, many find that swapping them for 6-inch legs transforms the experience. This small modification elevates the seat to a more natural height, making it easier to stand up and allowing a vacuum to pass underneath, a victory for both the joints and the cleanliness of the home. Others have found that adding a thin layer of plywood beneath the cushions or extra Velcro to the back pillows adds a level of permanence and heft that rivals much more expensive showroom sets. Ultimately, this modular sectional is for the person who wants a high-quality existence without the high luxury price tag. It is beautiful, functional, and surprisingly resilient. It proves that with a little bit of assembly effort and perhaps a few minor adjustments, a budget-friendly choice can far exceed the performance of its more expensive peers. It is a soft place to land at the end of a hard day, standing as a reminder that the best parts of home are the places where we can finally let go.